Hey guys, Miss Warren here. Today I'm going to talk about the monochromatic portion of the color wheel worksheet. So as always, when I'm painting, I have a paper towel, a cup of water, a paintbrush, and a palette of paint. For this one, mono means one and chroma means color. So we can pick any of our colors from our palette here to start here with the monochromatic gradient is what it's going to be. Some people call this an ombre, but I generally use the term gradient. Now we're going to put the hue or the main color in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and start with red. I'm going to get a little red on the tip of my brush there, and I'm going to paint that in the middle. And now to either side, I'm going to start slowly going lighter and lighter as I go over here and slowly going darker and darker as I go over here.
Laura Jordan, if you're on campus, report to the front office, please. Laura Jordan, if you're on campus, report to the front office.
Okay, now with a very clean brush, I'm going to get a little bit of white and I'm going to put it over on this side. Now I'm going to get a little bit of red in this white, and I'm going to start mixing it in. If you want to mix this beforehand, you can, but if you want to mix it right on your paper, you can as well. I'm going to get a little bit of red on my brush and make a nice pink. Here we go. So now we're getting a gradient. If we want to smooth that out, let me clean my brush a little bit to where it slowly fades out to white. You can do that here. Grab a little more white on my brush. That pink overtakes the white really quickly, so you have to be kind of careful with it. Blend it in right here so you get a smooth gradient going from red to pink. Now on the other side, we're going to be doing some black. So I want to make sure to get all the white out of my brush. I'm going to get a little more red over here. And this helps to work while it's still wet to get that nice smooth blend from one color to another. I'll go back and blend that a little bit better, but right now I'm going to get a little red about halfway here. I'm going to clean up my brush really well. Grab a little bit of black. Now black is darker than red, so this black is going to take over really fast. So get a little bit of red. Mix that in with the black here. So you want a nice maroon in between your black and your red. And you want that to slowly fade in a gradient from dark to light. So that's what I want to see for monochromatic. You could start with blue or yellow, it doesn't really matter. Or if you have green or orange already mixed up on your paper, you can. But I want to see one color ranging from the original color, then it gets lighter and lighter on this side and darker on this side.